In this video, I'm going to show you how to play with strings and numbers in Python programming language. So without wasting time, let's begin with this video. This is the fifth tutorial in Python programming language series. So let's begin with this tutorial. So first of all, you need to open the Python IDLE, which is provided in python.org website. You can download it from Google. So let's begin this video. First of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm creating, suppose, one variable a equals, I'm assigning it a value 7. We have seen this how to assign a value to a variable in our previous videos. So if you have not referred those previous videos, go back and have a look at that. So I am assigning a value 7 to a variable a. So now just click enter. So a is being assigned a value 7. So just to see that, type in A and press enter. As you can see, a 7 is being displayed. What happens is, whenever you assign a value to a variable, object is being created within the computer's memory, and variable A is being linked to that particular object. So in this way, a 7 is being assigned to A. So what I'm gonna do is, suppose I'm creating another variable, suppose W equals 3. Press enter. Let's have a look. Yeah. So what if I now want to delete W or A from the memory? So I will simply type in del space. Suppose I want to delete the variable 7. So I will simply write the variable name del space equals del space and the variable name A. Just press enter. So let's have a look whether we can again retrieve the value 7 from A. So just type in A and press enter. So the Python shell will return an error saying that traceback error, name A is not defined. So in this way, a variable A is being deleted from the memory. So I'm going to now show you how to use the complex numbers in Python language. So I'm creating another variable named, suppose, myvar equals 7 minus 4j. And remember, this is a complex number, so the number having adjacent to it as j is the real number, whereas the 7 is the imaginary number. So just press enter, and I'm creating another variable, your var equals 3 plus 10j. Just press enter. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm writing these two variables and just adding it, my var plus your var, and just press enter. As you can see, a 7 plus 3, it's shown 10, and minus 4 plus 10, it's going to show plus 6. That's the complex number addition you have performed using myvar and yourvar. So in this way you can play with complex numbers in Python programming language. Okay, now let's proceed. What I'm going to show is, now I'm creating another variable, suppose str equals, I'm assigning it a string hello world. Just press enter. Now what if I want to retrieve the first variable from the string hello world, that is h. So I will simply type in the variable name str, and remember, square brackets, it's not parenthesis, it's a square bracket I'm mentioning. So what happens in Python is, whatever string you assign within the double quotes, so there is an index position for each variable, for each character that you mention in the string. For suppose for h it's 0, for a it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So I want to retrieve the variable character h. So I will simply type in zeros, as the index position starts with 0. So str double brackets, and within the brackets 0. Just press enter. As you can see, the h is being displayed as an output. So what if I want to retrieve a complete word, that is hello? So I will simply type in str space double brackets, and within that 0, and the hello is a 5 word. So I will simply type in 0, and from 0 till 5, just press enter. As you can see, a hello is being returned by the interpreter. So what if now I want to retrieve the world. So this is a very convenient method of retrieving the entire string starting from particular index position. I will show you how. So the world contains the index position, that is the W, that is starting index position. We can find out 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the spaces also contains the index position 5, and W contains the 6. So I will simply type in from 6 colon, and I want to retrieve the whole world dot and this exclamatory signs also. So what I'm gonna do is I will mention the 6, that is the starting position of the character W, and I want to retrieve the string till the end. So I will simply leave the space as blank. I will not mention any sort of number and simply type in enter. So it's returning the word from W till the end of the string. In this way you can retrieve the entire string by specifying a single index position. So now what I'm gonna do is, suppose I want to print my string, that is a hello world, as many times. So what I will do is I will simply type in str and asterisk symbol into, suppose I want to print hello world 3 times. So I will simply mention str asterisk and 3. Just press enter. As you can see, the hello world is being printed 3 times. So in this way you can print a string whatever you want as many times as you want in your application. So what if I want to concatenate two strings, that is str, just hold on, str plus an additional string. I am providing it externally. So suppose hello world, how are you? So just press enter. It is showing hello world, how are you? So in this way you can concatenate two strings. So over here I have concatenated str plus an external string I have passed, that is how are you. So I hope you have got a little bit of clear understanding of how to use the numbers and strings in Python programming language. If you do have some sort of questions, do feel free to mention it in comment box. Until then, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thanks a lot.